Most people think of life insurance as this boring contract that you pay when you're alive, and once you pass away, the insurance company simply give to your beneficiaries a sum of money. Half of people also think it's useless because they think that there are no benefits while they're alive to owning one. They literally see it as the worst bill on the monthly budget. At least when you pay for rent or food, you actually benefit from sleeping in a comfortable bed with a TV and eating pizza or something. But now when it comes to life insurance, you have to pay for it, and you will also never see the results of all that hard-worked money given to insurance companies. But what if I told you that life insurance actually has hidden benefits that most people don't know about? I'm talking about benefits you can use while you're still alive to the point of even helping you build wealth. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you might see life insurance in a completely different way after knowing 8 of the many extra benefits that life insurance can give you. And at least one of them will be useful to you no matter your profile. But before we dive in on how you can benefit from life insurance while you're alive, if you're finding value in financial videos like this, take 2 seconds to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. And if you're into more financial content, money hacks, and smart strategies to build wealth, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And know that none of this content is financial advice. All right, let's jump into it. So let's start with the most obvious but not always talked about benefit. When people buy life insurance, they're usually thinking about their family or future one. They might think, what if something happens to me? Will my spouse be okay? Will my kids have what they need? And yes, that's the core purpose. But here's the hidden benefit. Having life insurance now gives you immediate peace of mind. It reduces stress, not in the future, but today. Think about it. How many of us carry this low-level anxiety about the future? With life insurance, that's one less worry on your plate. It's like emotional insurance as much as financial insurance. And the less stressed you are, the better decisions you can make in your everyday life. Benefit number 2, living benefits. This is where it gets interesting. Many modern life insurance policies have something called living benefits. Here's what that means in most cases. Depending on the policy, you can actually access part of the death benefit while you're still alive. For example, if you're diagnostic with certain critical illnesses, things like cancer, a stroke, or a serious heart condition, instead of just paying out after you pass away, the policy can provide funds when you really need them most. Imagine getting financial support during a medical crisis so you don't have to drain your savings or go into debt. That's a huge hidden advantage most people never realize exists. Benefit number 3, some policies can build cash value. Now let's talk about the type of life insurance that does more than just provide a payout. Whole life insurance or permanent life insurances in general. These policies can build what's called cash value. Think of it like a savings account that grows inside your insurance policy. Over time, a portion of your premium payments accumulate as cash value, and that money grows tax deferred. Here's another hidden benefit. You can borrow against that cash value later on. Maybe you need to fund a down payment on a house. Maybe you want to start a business. Maybe you want extra cash in retirement. That cash value can be an incredibly flexible tool. And unlike a traditional bank loan, you don't have to go through credit checks or long approval processes. The money is yours and you can access it when you need it. In a way, you can think of it, even if not literally, as becoming your own bank, since you can both withdraw and borrow by yourself without many requirements. Benefit number 4, tax advantages. Let's talk taxes because nobody loves paying Uncle Sam more than they have to. With certain life insurance policies, your cash value grows tax deferred. That means you don't pay taxes on the growth year after year like you would with some other investments. And when structured properly, you can actually access that money in retirement in a tax-advantaged way. So not only are you protecting your family, you're also potentially lowering your lifetime tax bill. And if you know anything about building wealth, you know taxes can make or break your financial future. Benefit number 5, supplemental retirement income. Here's a scenario, you're nearing retirement age. You've got some savings in your 401k or whatever the main personal retirement account in your country. But markets are volatile and you want an extra safety net. If you've built up cash value in a life insurance policy, you can tap into that money as a supplemental income stream. It's not meant to replace your retirement plan, but it can be that added cushion to help you live comfortably without stressing about running out of money. And here's the kicker. Because loans against your cash value aren't considered taxable income, it's a smart way to access funds without bumping yourself into a higher tax bracket. But before doing any of that, consult with a professional who can do the strategy correctly and knows the laws in your country. Benefit number 6, protecting your business. Now, if you're a business owner, life insurance has another hidden benefit. It can be used to fund what's called a buy-sell agreement. That's basically a plan that protects your business if something happens to you or a partner. Without it, your family or your partner's family could end up in some messy financial and legal battles. With it, the business can continue smoothly. Life insurance can also help attract and keep employees when used as part of executive compensation plans. It's a tool not just for individuals, but for businesses too. Benefit number 7, leaving a legacy beyond money. One hidden benefit people rarely talk about is the ability to leave a legacy. Sure, money is part of it, but think bigger. With life insurance, you can fund charities, scholarships, or causes that matter deeply to you. Even if you're not wealthy, life insurance can allow you to leave a significant impact behind. It's a way of saying, I was here, and I contributed something lasting. That's a powerful legacy, and it doesn't always take massive wealth to create it. Benefit number 8, flexibility and customization. Life insurance today isn't one size fits all. You can customize policies to fit your unique needs. Maybe you want a lower cost term policy for pure protection. Maybe you want permanent coverage with cash value. Maybe you want a hybrid with long-term care riders. The point is, you're not stuck with the old school version of life insurance anymore. It can be tailored to your life stage, your goals, and your budget. So let's quickly recap what we've covered. Life insurance isn't just about a payout after death. It gives you peace of mind today. Many policies offer living benefits you can use while you're still alive. Whole and permanent policies can build cash value you can borrow or withdraw from. They come with tax advantages. They can supplement your retirement income. They can protect your business. They let you leave a lasting legacy. And they're customizable to fit your life. That's a lot more than most people realize when they first hear the word life insurance. So now I want to hear from you. Which of these hidden benefits surprised you the most? Was it the living benefits, the tax perks, or maybe the idea of using life insurance as a retirement tool? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial content just like this. We've got plenty more coming your way, and you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.